Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm doing a collaboration with Prue from her channel Pruelaroo. I absolutely adore her. Okay, you guys, I adore her. It's not just because she's from Australia. It's not. She's a fantastic YouTuber, and she is one of my friends, or someone who I consider a friend here on YouTube. I love her bubbly personality and just her fun way of doing makeup and things. She always has different palettes and things on her channel. She's doing hauls, she's doing collaborations, she's doing tutorials, she's doing all kinds of things. And it's just so much fun. One of the videos that she did recently were all about makeup products that Annette made her purchase, you know, made her, you know, things that she saw Annette use that she was like, oh, I need that. Yeah, so, and that's one of my favorite videos by her. I just absolutely love her, and I think you guys should go check her out because I think she deserves so many more subscribers. So, if you're not subscribed to her, I highly recommend it because her channel and video will be linked in the description box down below. Today, we are going to be doing a face-off collab. I don't know if I said that. I just got so excited because I'm doing a collab with Prue because she's amazing. Anyway, we're going to be doing a face-off with this palette right here. This is the Feral palette by Menagerie Cosmetics, and I am super excited about this. We somehow ended up with all of the green shades, the yellow and the purple, and I have an amazing idea for this. It's gonna be something, because if it doesn't turn out, I'm gonna be upset about it. I just am. I tried to film something, I'm gonna be honest, this is take two, and I tried to film a different look, and it just wasn't where I wanted it. So we're redoing this essentially, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the shades. So we have Fenris, Ivy, and Huechera? Nah, I'm not even gonna. So this is the Huechera shade, Ivy, and Fenris. Oh, that one's so pretty. Then we have Night Eyes, which I love this yellow, you guys, and Allium. I'm gonna butcher all these names, but it's the yellow and the purple. So this is Night Eyes and Allium. Isn't that such a pretty color story? I always like greens with purples, so I'm super excited about this. So I'm gonna get right into creating this look. Yeah, we'll see. I'm so excited to see what Prue's look ends up looking like and things like that, so yeah. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna go in with is Fenris here, and I'm going to just take this kind of on a fluffy brush, and we're gonna pack it on top of my eyeshadow primer. By the way, any product that I use that I somehow failed to mention will be listed in the description box and down below, so I highly recommend going to check that out. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to go into here is Night Eyes. It's that yellow shade, and I'm just going to use this to kind of blend out the edges of Fenris. Just kind of make it more subtle. Okay, so once I have that blended out the way that I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and go into the shade Ivy, and I'm gonna pop this right into my crease and just slightly above. Then I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to use that to kind of blend all of that together. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in Halo, and I'm actually going to cut my crease. And I like to just pop a little bit of this on the back of my hand to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to be using this smaller kind of like lip brush to do my cut crease. And you'll notice that I did kind of take it up a little higher. I just want to make sure that we can kind of see where the green cuts off, as well as where the next shadow I'm going to place over it is. Okay, then the next shade I'm going to go into is the purple here. What is it? Allium. And I'm going to take this on kind of a flat brush because I'm going to pack it onto the white shade that I placed down. Okay, so once I have that packed on where I want it, I'm actually going to go into the green shimmer here, and that is Huechera, I don't know how to properly say that, so I apologize if I'm butchering it. So I'm just going to take that right up against that purple. kind of like Joker vibes and I kind of like it a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and, so next I'm going to go in with my Stila Stale Day Waterproof eyeliner, and I'm going to do a wing because this look calls for a wing. It just has it saying wing it. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to work with is going to be Night Eyes, that yellow again, and I'm going to pop this into my inner corner. As for my lower lash line, I'm going to start off with my NYX Professional Makeup. This is the name that's longer than anything. It'll be listed down below, and it's in Brown Perfection. Then I'm going to go into the shade Ivy, and I'm going to place that along my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to go in with my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and I'm going to place that on my lashes. And to finish this look off, I'm going to go in with this lipstick right here called Cash Money. And this is the final look. You guys will have to let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Please go check out Prue's channel. I, again, absolutely adore her. She is a sweetheart and just a lot of fun to watch here on YouTube. She is one of my favorite smaller YouTubers, and I highly recommend going to check her channel out if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed it, and if you are from Prue's channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do hope that you guys will subscribe and join my little family here on YouTube. I love chatting with you guys in the comment section. It is so much fun. So please like this video, please subscribe, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next one. Bye!